Señoras y señores, les presentamos la tercera victoria consecutiva de Tecniconda. Y como siempre, fundamental nuestra afición. Muchas gracias, afición. Nos vemos el próximo trofeo.
What can I say? Congratulations. Okay. We knew it was going to be tough. We kept the rhythm as we talked, and it dropped at the end. Okay, so this is the path. Now we got another game at home next week again. Smash for 1A.
And chicos.
1, 2, 3.
¡Vivo!
Lillo, 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 Lillo.